Guangdong Createking New Materials Technology Company Limited, established in 2000, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of floor accessories. Our product range includes PVC skirting boards, flooring profiles, aluminum tile trims, WPC wall panels, WPC doors, and door frames for interior decoration. We are located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, which benefits from convenient transportation access. We prioritize strict quality control and provide comprehensive customer service. With an excellent collaborative team, we focus on product design, research and development, quality control and inspection, as well as overall company operations. In order to deliver satisfactory products and services to our clients, we have established a modern quality management system in accordance with international standards. Furthermore, we have successfully obtained ISO 9001 and CE certifications, further solidifying our commitment to maintaining high quality standards. Our products have garnered widespread acclaim across cities and provinces in China and have also been exported to clients in various countries and regions, including Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, North America, South Africa, and other destinations. We warmly welcome both OEM and ODM orders. Whether you opt for products from our existing catalog or require engineering assistance tailored to your specific application, our customer service center is fully equipped to support you with all your sourcing requirements.